Shanhua Temple, another old temple in Datong City. You can see these three buildings, 1, 2, 3, have same roof type. We call this 雾殿顶. It's the highest level of rooftop in Chinese architecture. Forbidden City, Beijing, you can see some buildings like this rooftop. Yeah, but one temple have 3 buildings. This kind of a roof means this is very important in history. Four heavenly kings, 天王殿. The guardians in Buddhism. The first building, okay? Stone stilts with inscriptions. It's information, important information about the history of the temple. 熊宝殿 again, the grand hall. Liao Dynasty sculptures, statues. It's grand building. In Datong, there is a Zhaobi named the 9 Dragons Wall. Famous, but we heard it's under renovation. But in front of the Shanhua Temple, there's a 5 dragon wall. It's also from Jin Dynasty. That's pretty nice. 5 dragons. Made 1595, 20 meters long. The material called the Liu Li, kind of a glass. You can see the sea. And the clouds on the top. The city wall of Datong. Did a lot of hiking today. The city wall was rebuilt. Brand new. Lookout towers. Old and new. Moat River on the outside. The view of the Shanhua Temple from the top of the city wall on the outside of the street